boys and girls. This week we will be reviewing vowel teams. And remember, a vowel team always has two vowels. However, in a vowel team, only one vowel speaks, or one vowel says a long vowel sound, boys and girls. So this week we'll be reviewing vowel teams AI, AY, OA, OW, EE, EA, and short EA as in bread. We will also be adding our suffixes ing, ed, and es and s to some vowel teams as well. So boys and girls, here's a quick review of all the previously learned vowel teams. This vowel team is AI. AI says A. It's found in the middle of the word, as in train. Can you friends say this? Here we go. Name the pattern. Good. AI. Sound. A. Found. Middle of the word, as in train. And notice Miss Laspiza has words here with AI found in the middle of them, as in weight, stain, trait, trail, paint, gain, and brain. Just as a friendly reminder, boys and girls, when you finger spell the words, vowel teams are used with one finger. So for example, if we say wait, you would go w-a-t and use the AI on one finger. Let's go to our next vowel team. Our next vowel team that we will be reviewing is AY. Sound is A. AY is found at the end of the word, as in hey. Okay, you friends say it. Here we go. Name the pattern. AY. Sound. Good. A. Found. End of the word, as in hey. And notice our AY vowel team is found at the end of the word, as in day. Clay. Pay. Play. Say. Spray. Tray. And way. The next vowel team we will be reviewing this week is OA. OA makes the sound O. It's found in the middle of the word, as in toast. Okay, you friends say it. Here we go. Name of the pattern. OA. Sound. O. Found. Good. Middle of the word, as in toast. And again, notice our words at the bottom here. We see our vowel team OA found in the middle of the word, as in boat, coach, coast, float, goal, road, and soap. Okay, our next vowel team can be found in two different places. So let's make sure we look at both of them. The name of this pattern is OW, and please don't be confused. OW is also a diphthong, but we're not doing our diphthong right now. We're doing a vowel team. So OW says the sound O. It's usually at the end of the word, as in snow. OW can also be found in the middle of the word, followed by the letter N or L, as in grown. Okay, friends, let's have you say it out loud. Ready? Name of the pattern is? Good. OW. Sound. O. Found. Usually at the end of the word, as in snow. Okay, let's do the next one. Same thing. Name of the pattern is? OW. Good. Sound. O. Make sure we're saying our sounds here. Found. Middle of the word followed by N or L, as in grown. And notice here, boys and girls, we have our OW found at the end of the word, and here it's in the middle because it's followed by the letter L. Okay, our next vowel team we're working on this week is EE. EE is making the sound E. It's found middle of the word, first choice. Don't forget, boys and girls, when we did our E vowel teams, we have first choice and second choice, as in sheep. Here we go. You say it. Name of the pattern is E-E. Good. Sound. E. Found. Middle of the word, first choice, as in sheep. Okay, here we go. Words with E-E. Cheek, deep, green, meat, seed, sleep, and week. Don't forget, boys and girls, some of these words sound exactly the same, like week. This is days of the week, but there's also like week when you don't feel good. So just be careful with that, friends. Here is our next vowel team that also makes a long E sound, and it's also found in the middle of the word, but this is the second choice, as in beach. Name of this pattern is E-A. Sound, good, you say it, friends, E. Found, middle of the word, and this is our second choice, as in beach. And notice with our words here, found in the middle of the word, even if it's a two-syllable word. Ready? Cheat, dream, mean, neat, peanut, and scream, boys and girls. So just be careful when you do our vowel teams E. If I said, how do you make long E in the middle of the word? First choice, you would say E-E. And if I said here, friends, how do you make long E in the middle of the word? Second choice, you would say E-A. Okay, our last and final vowel team that we will be reviewing this week is vowel team E-A as well. But E-A also says the short sound eh. It's found in the middle of the word, as in bread. Here we go. Ready? Name of this pattern is E-A. Sound eh. Found, middle of the word, as in bread. Very good. And words with E-A in them. Oops, I put A-I. I will fix that very quickly. E-A. Here we go. Words with E-A. Head, bread, dread, spread, thread, and tread, boys and girls. Finally, we will be adding suffixes to the end of a base word. Friendly reminder, suffixes change a base word's meaning. So we have ing, means happening now. Ed, happened in the past. Don't forget, there's three sounds, d, t, and id. And es and s means more than one. Es, boys and girls, is found at the end of words that make a hissing sound, such as sh, ch, or x. But we're going to focus on the suffix s because there is more than one here, friends. So if we were to add our suffixes ing to some vowel teams here, it would look like something like sleeping, raining, playing. And same thing, if I were to add the suffix ed, which means happened in the past, it would be like cheated, screamed, or played. Okay, and then if we have our more than one suffix, which is s or es, we would say, oh, there's some boats, crows, and paints. So boys and girls, friendly reminder, this week you will be focusing on all of these vowel teams. We'll be reviewing them. Make sure you know what sounds they make. They make a long vowel sound, and where they're found in a word. We will also be reviewing suffixes this week. Have fun, boys and girls.